Now we know AI agents are increasingly described as doing human work. But this paper starts with a more precise question. Do AI agents actually work the way humans do, or are we just labeling the outcome the same? The answer turns out to matter a lot for how we design tools, workflows, and expectations. For this study, the authors compare humans and AI agents across 16 realistic long horizon tasks, things like creating slides, analyzing data, preparing documents, and coordinating several such multi step work. They don't just compare final outputs, they capture every action clicks, commands, code, tool usage, and time spent. This lets them study process, not just results. One of the most important findings is that even for tasks humans do visually, like editing documents or preparing presentations, AI agents overwhelmingly work programmatically. They write scripts, they issue structured commands, they manipulate files directly. Humans, by contrast, rely on visual feedback, iteration, and intuition. Same task, but completely different execution. The numbers are striking. Across agents are dramatically faster and significantly cheaper than human workers. I'm sure this is not a surprise. But hold on. The tension here is a lack of quality. Agents struggle with visual layout and formatting, file navigation, extracting information from PDFs or images, and ambiguous instructions. And the failures look glorious, laughable, and scary all at the same time. Now, on the other hand, when work is split deliberately, agents handle programmable, repeatable steps, whereas humans handle judgment heavy and visual steps. The result is a best of both worlds. This is where near term value really lives. The paper makes a very important point, which is that agent tools should not try to mimic human behavior. Designing agents like people is a big mistake. Instead, we should embrace programmability, expose structured APIs, make intermediate steps visible, and make verification cheap and obvious. What I absolutely love about this paper is that it reframes the whole conversation. AI agents don't work like humans, and that's not a flaw, it's a design constraint. The teams which will win and will design the best agents will work around that reality. Check out the details in the description box below, and thank you for watching.